Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlet with Scarlet's Little Crafty Corner, and today I have got another unbagging for you. Before I get into this though, I just want to say thank you to all of my subscribers. I appreciate each and every one of you, and thank you to all of my new subscribers. And I just want to say, please do all the YouTubey things. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Hit that like button and leave me a comment. So this comes to me from Fgnormal, and I just want to say thank you to Nikki for sending these to me, and I'm just going to get right into them. So, I only got a couple things, and I'm just going to go ahead and pull the first thing out, and we'll get into it, and let's see what I got. So, it is a full round drill. And it does come with just a typical just your typical toolkit, which is your green boat and a thing of pink wax and a pink single placer pen. And this is all you need to diamond paint. Doesn't matter if you are a beginner or if you've been doing this for years and years and years. This is all you need to do this craft. And it looks like these are all pre-bagged. And like I said, this is round. And it looks like it has a label on all the bags. And it looks like it does have the kit number. But you can see this is going to have a lot of greens and some yellows and some browns. So it's kind of fall. But I thought that this was a cute kit. And I do like all those greens. So what did I get? Well, I got a very wrinkly kit, apparently. So let's get her kind of flattened out a little bit. I've kind of gotten into getting a few of these. I don't really know what they are called other than they're being called just cartoon dolls. But I think they're very cute, and I apologize for the glare. It's late in the afternoon, so I'm having to use my overhead light. But as you can see, she's just a little girl. There is a lot of green in this, and it is a 30 by 40. And there's the thumbnail, but I mean, you can't really see anything from the thumbnail. It's a very clear kit. There are some dark colors in her hair, but they are clear enough to where you can see what they are. But it does have a schematic up here on the top left, bottom right. It looks like it is all letters. There's 22 colors, and it does have the DMC numbers listed. But she has got, all the background is green. We have got a lot of confetti. And she has got a sunflower in her hair. She's got on green glasses. She's got a basket over here with some flowers in it that are green. And it looks like maybe, I can't tell if that is if those are flowers in her basket or if that is a cloth. I'm not sure, but she has got some flip-flops on. She's just really cute. But she's got short brown hair, and it's just like all over her head. But she is just really cute. There's a lot of green. I think it does look like it's going to blend in with her glasses and her basket and her pants and her flip-flops. But I think once you lay the drills down, I think you're going to be able to tell a difference in the colors. And again, I apologize for the glare. But this, like I said, is called Cartoon Doll. And this was $6.16 on Fgnormal. And again, all the shades of green. And then the shades of brown. And then you've got your yellow. Let's see. Maybe that's a little bit better. Knock some of the glare off. I don't know. But, yeah. I thought it was cute. Alright, so the next thing that I got, y'all, or the other thing that I got, was this. And no, this is not set 1. I finally ordered the second set of round AB drills. So this is set 2. This is set 2. We finally got set 2. If you've been following me, I accidentally, somehow, some way, ordered 3 different times. I ordered set 1 of the round AB drills, thinking the first time I ordered the round set of AB drills. The second time was an accident because I couldn't remember if I had ordered them from another company or not. The third time, I don't know what I was thinking. So, this time I made sure, because I did not just double check, and I did not just triple check. I checked that 4 times before I sent it, and made sure that it said set 2 AB drill rounds. So now I can take and show y'all what the set 2 rounds look like. So, real quick, we have got 3760, and these are the blue. Now I'm not going to tell y'all all the numbers. Y'all can see it on the tags. But yeah, I have enough AB set 1s to do me for a while. But I was just like, oh my goodness, I cannot believe I did that 3 times. So, if you were to get set 2 on the ABs, this is the colors that you would get. And again, I don't know why they pick out these specific colors to go in the sets, but they do. I don't know if these are like the most popular colors or they're just, random colors. I don't know. But I think they look really nice. They really do. There's the 5200. I don't know if y'all can see this. We'll take and we'll show those. Those are pretty. But I would put these up against any of the premium ABs. I really would. And I am by no means an expert. Just throw that out there. But I have been diamond painting for over 4 years now. So I do have a few years under my belt. So, does that make me an expert? No, it does not. I'm just saying, I've seen a lot of crappy AB drills, and I've seen a lot of good ones. And I'm just saying that I have not seen any of these that have come from these companies that have been horrible. You're going to find good and bad in all companies, whether they're budget friendly or premium. But just because this is considered a budget friendly company, don't write it off because the drills are cheaper, is all I'm saying. Because these are extremely nice. And don't think that just because you got something from a premium company that it is better. Because that's not always the case. Okay. So I've got a few that have fell out. So let's look at a few of these. Now I've got a little bit of static in that one, so I'm not even going to pull that one out. So I want to look at these 5200. If I can get this open. Well, I was going to try to open it without losing those on the top. Buster's probably fixing to jump up here. He hears a bag rattling. Anytime he hears a bag rattling, he just automatically thinks it's food. Okay. Now these have got a little bit of static in them. So, okay. So hopefully, I probably should have gotten a different color tray for these. So these are very pretty. If you can see, I hope y'all can tell. They're very sparkly, very pretty. They do have some static in them. And I will say that this is the first that I've had static. Y'all, he's hitting the camera. Because I have one of those stands that has that flat piece on the bottom that sits on the floor. So he's hitting. He's probably sitting on it. Okay, here is 701. I'm not used to this. This used to be the only tray that I used when I first started diamond painting. Until I started getting the other trays. See, those look really good. Of course, my focus on my camera is not exactly great, but y'all can see how good these look. So Fgnormal has these for $8.63, and that is for the set, regardless of whether it is set 1, set 2 of the rounds, or set 1 or set 2 of the squares. Each set will be $8.63, but now they have got it to where you can get several sets, and you can get it for like, I don't even remember now what it said. I should have wrote that down. But you can get them, instead of getting like, I forgot how they've got it, and I don't want to misquote. So if you go to the website, and if you want to set of the ABs, you just go down at the bottom where you was going to go to like check out, or not check out, but add to your cart, and you can see on there, it'll say something about you can add, I think they have like a 2-pack, a 3-pack, a 4-pack, or something like that. Alright, we'll show these and then we'll be done. Because I've showed a few light colors and we'll show this dark color. Maybe. But I think they're really pretty. And if you are wanting ABs, but you can't afford the premium, this is a great alternative. Because, like I said, I think these are just as nice. But isn't that pretty? Those are so pretty, and they're well covered and coated with the AB. And if you don't know, I guess I probably should have said that in the beginning. AB stands for Aurora Borealis, and it is just a coating, an extra coating that they put on the regular drills to make them shine and sparkle, and it just adds like a flare to your diamond paintings. So that's all I got from Fgnormal. And again, I want to say thank you to Nikki for sending these to me. And y'all make sure you go and you check out Fgnormal, because y'all, they have everything. They have got all kinds of stuff. It's not just diamond painting. They've got all kinds of stuff. Y'all just go check them out, because they've got all kinds of stuff. It's not just diamond painting. I know us diamond painters are like, oh, it's a diamond painting company. No, it's an everything company. It's a craft company. So go check them out. I will leave a link in my description box for the canvas and for the set of ABs. Hopefully they still have this in stock if you're interested, and I'm pretty sure this will be in stock, so I'm not worried about that. But anyway, please do all the YouTubey things. Like, subscribe, comment, share if you want to. And until my next video, like I said, I will see y'all next time. Bye, y'all.